Hey there, kids! It's math time! I know that you're ready. Let's start. Our learning outcome for today is to divide mentally numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 using appropriate strategies, or how we use the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's start. But before that, let's have our past question of the day. Here is our question. Which of the following equation will represent the illustration below? So I have here rabbits. Is it A, 4 divided by 20 is equal to 5? B, 20 divided by 1 is equal to 20? C, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5? Or D, 5 divided by 20 is equal to 4? I'll give you 1 minute to get the answer. 1 minute starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answers. The correct answer is letter C. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Now, how do we get to that answer? Let's check that out. The first thing that you need to do is to count how many rabbits are there in all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, you will know that our dividend is 20. Remember that dividend will be the highest number in the equation. So that is dividend. Now, what you need to do next is there are two ways. First is you can count how many rabbits are in each group. So group them first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So place them in a group. Now, the first option that you can do is to count how many rabbits are inside of each group, which we have 4 rabbits in each group. So the one we're looking for is how many groups are formed. So there are 5. Correctly. Now, let's move on to our lesson for today. But before that, again, let's have a short activity. Now, let's have a multiplication recitation. Are you ready? Great. Let's start. Let's do the multiplication table of 2. So here, I will give you first the copy. Do it with me. Let's do the beat. Clap, tap, snap. Okay? So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. One more time, a little bit faster. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. Now it's your turn. I'll give you 1 minute to try and finish the multiplication table of 2 during our beat. 1 minute starts now. Okay, you did it. Great job. Now let's go to the next one. Let's have our multiplication table of 3. Again, I'll give you the copy, then your turn. We will have no copy. Let's go. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. Now it's your turn. Okay. 1 minute starts now. Okay, time's up. Again, you did it. Great job. Let's now go to our last one, which is the multiplication table. Now let's have our multiplication table of 4. Okay, no need to include 0, or if you want, you may include. Let's start. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. Okay, now it's your turn. 1 minute for you to finish the multiplication table of 4b. 1 minute starts now. Time's up. Great job. Again, you did it. Great. I now can see that you have been practicing your multiplication tables. Now let's head towards our lesson for today. What do you think is the connection of multiplication tables in mental division? Here is the connection. Now first, let's know the parts that you need to know in order for you to know the mental division. So let's start off with the division of 2. Now I have here 10 divided by 2. Now each of these number has its own part in doing the mental division. Let's go first with the 10. Remember, the 10 or our dividend will always be our target number. This is the number where you will stop, skip counting. Okay, again, this is the number that you will stop, skip counting. Once you reach this number, it means you have to stop. Next is the divisor, or we will call it the multiplication table. Our divisor will be our multiplication table. So if it says 2, it means it is we are going to skip count, or we are going to recite the multiplication table of 2. Okay, so let's give it a try. So skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We will stop at our target number, which is 10. We skip counted by 2. How many fingers did I use until I reached number 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the answer of 5. Again, our quotient or the answer is the fingers that you used until you reach the target number. Okay? So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our quotient is 5. Now, let's give it a try. I want you now to do it on your own. Okay? Let's try this one. Okay, your target number is 16. You will skip count by 2. Let's go. What is our answer? Okay, let's check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 8. Great job. Let's try again. I have here 20 divided by 2. What is your answer? It's 10. Why? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So that is 10. And last one. Here we go. Good job. The correct answer is 6. Great. Now, this is the same process as you go on to the different division numbers. Let's go with division of 3. Okay? Division of 3. Let's try 21 divided by 3. Again, remember our target number is 21 and our multiplication table that we will use is 3. So let's try this one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. How many? Answer is 7. Okay, now your turn. How many will be our quotient? Great. You are doing good. That is 4. Let's go with the last one. Great job. You are now doing mental division. Okay, so that is 9. Same process again with the division of 4. So again, our divisor is the multiplication table that we will use. So 28 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Count how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer 7. Okay, your turn. Okay, great. That is 10. Now if okay, and last one. Great. That is 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now, here is somewhat one of the easiest in doing mental division. The division of 5. 30 divided by 5. I know this is easy. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you just keep counting by 5. That is 6. Next, 15 divided by 5. Great. That is 3. And last one, 45 divided by 5. Now that was fast. It's 9. Great job. Now for our last one, the division of 10. Just like what I said, same with this one, 50 divided by 10. Skip count by 10. That is simply 5. 80 divided by 10, that is 8. 30 divided by 10, that is 3. Now if you notice, we're just like copying the first digit to the left of our dividend. And that is one technique that you can use in the division of 10. 60 divided by 10, that is 6. Okay, so I hope this technique will help you to solve quicker and faster in division. Now it's time for our activity. Now here's what you're going to do. For you to be able to practice, I need you to make a division table. So what do you need in order for you to make a division table? First is get a bond paper or a notebook. Make a division table of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Now, I may recommend you to do what you did in the multiplication table, but it's hard, or I may not be able to teach you how to use it very well. So now later on, I will show you an example of a different way on how to make a division table. Next, the third, take note. You must mentally solve the answer for each quotient. Okay? You must mentally solve the answer or the quotient for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Submit it in the link given to Genio. So you need to take a picture of it and submit it to Genio. Where? First, go to our Mathematics 2 third quarter course. Find Q3 Week 2, Day 2 FLD. Click Link for Submission. And then you just have to find your section. And inside of your section, you will see your class number and name. Okay? And after finishing the division table, you just need to answer a short quiz in Genio titled Evaluate Division 2. Now, here is the example of the division table. So simply just make 0 divided by 1, 1 divided by 1, and so on and so forth until 10. Okay, now if you can see below, there are numeracy vocabulary, so you don't need to copy this, but you can read this because these are some of the clues that you may be able to use during word problems, which we will be talking next time. So don't worry. Okay, so I think that is all for today. I hope that this video will help you mentally solve division next time. Get ready, by the way, because we'll be having a mini division solving on our next meeting. So please prepare. Again, thanks for watching and goodbye. See you again.